Here's how you create the reverse reverb effect in your audio recording software. Here's a clip from a track you might be familiar with. Memories broken, the truth goes unspoken, I've even forgotten my name! If you're a Pro Tools user, you already know you can go up to Audio Suite, Avid, Reverb, and then press the reverse button. Memories broken, the truth goes unspoken. If you need to manually create this effect, here's how to do it. First, we're going to reverse the audio. Secondly, we're going to give a little bit of tail at the end of the track, just so there's some room for the reverb. We're going to apply the reverb. And lastly, we're going to reverse the track once more. Hope this helps. Thanks.